cute. Look at this, guys. This is so... Mariam started feeling well. She had cough and... Hi, it's me, Lina, and this is Mariam. Welcome back to our channel. So in this channel, I will be documenting my journey as a crocheter. I have a big dream of building a tiny and humble home for both of us with my husband. So if you would like to hop on to this journey, consider subscribe, and thank you so much if you are a returning subscriber. So in today's video, we'll dive into the journey of me planning a durian home plushie as well alongside pineapple home plushie. I will tell you all the struggles that I faced, all while managing a baby and also working full-time. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. I'm not able to complete it last week because I ran out of yarn, both yarns. I didn't expect the green yarn to take up so much. So one skein is just not enough for me to cater. The pattern is actually the same with the one up there. Instead, I use different sizes for both yarn and also hook. Therefore, this one looks bigger, but actually they're the same thing. So I finally did make it till round 16. But then, look who's here. She just woke up. Hello, baby. Hello, baby. Okay guys, this is a little update on my durian home pattern. After I was about to complete all the spikes, I realized something, which is when we crocheted the spike from bottom to top, it will leave us in confusion when you reach this row, because if you can see here, the row is actually in spiral at the top. So we are doing it in zigzag, you know, like from the right to the left, to the right, to the left, to the right, and to the left. So when it comes to this part, I'm just confused on how am I going to like connect the one from here to this row here, because it's not, as you can see, it's not connected. So I think I'm not going to let them start from bottom, but from the top here. So they are going to go in spiral, and then when they reach this row, they won't have any problem to crochet the spike and completed it until the bottom here. Hey everyone, I'm excited to share my latest crochet design with you, Durian Home. With durian season in full swing in my hometown, I felt inspired to create something that celebrates this unique fruit. I used chunky yarn and a 6mm hook to bring this design to life. It took me about 3 weeks to complete, which was a real challenge while juggling a baby and work. But I'm so happy it's finally finished. I'll be opening a testicle soon, so keep an eye if you're interested. The pattern will be available to purchase later on my Etsy shop and website. Thanks for your support. Don't forget to subscribe for more crafty content. See ya! This is what I ordered last week for me to complete the durian home, and I also am planning to make watermelon home by using this soft pink yarn and also this green yarn. So these two combination will be for my watermelon home pattern, and the one over here is actually a Chanel small yarn, and I am planning to use this yarn to create an apple home pattern. We'll see how it goes. I got this as a free gift, but I do not know what is this for. Maybe it's actually a keychain, but they're so cute. I'll think what I will use this for later. Got to show you, I also
got myself this because I would like to try using this kind of keychain ring, the one with bell. And this is something new. I've never thought of this, and I would like to see how it goes. It's actually a squeeze. So I'm planning on crocheting maybe something small, like a home or like a small plushie with this squeeze inside it. Maybe it will suit Mariam well. So cute.
Good morning everyone. So I'm actually outside in my corridor and I'm planning to do an unboxing video, a Shopee haul, yarn haul with you now. I'll bring you to my setting. I'm thankful that the weather is still nice. Nice, right? That's our family cat Lina meowing in the background. So here it is. I have two packages over here. This is actually a rainbow yarn, and these are all yarns that I'm supposed to use for my durian plushies project and my tropical fruits project, tropical fruits pillows project, something like that, and some other stuff which are interesting that I would like to try later on. Okay, so without further ado, while my baby daughter is asleep, I'm going to do it real quick. Look at this, guys. This is so colorful. So happy. And these are all for my durian home project, which has been extended for like several weeks now. So now that the yarn are here, I'm actually missing out this dark brown color yarn to complete my durian home plushie, because I need it for the stem over here. So now that the yarn is here, I think I can complete it by 1 or 2 days and then call it for tester call and then make it available in my store. I think this is a free gift from the shop because I have bought quite a lot of times from the shop. I think this is my 4th purchase, so maybe that's why they are giving me this as a sample. So the next time maybe I can get my hand on this one as well. What do you call this yarn? Anybody knew the name of this yarn? What is this called? Okay, so these are all items that I purchased this time around. So the velvet yarn here, I'm planning to make my tropical fruits plushie by using this yarn, and the one over here, pineapple house project, and these are all eyes, cute eyes. You see that? Teary eyes in 8mm size, and another one, the same thing, teary eyes, but at 10mm size. I have this one squishy. I want to call it squishy. Okay, that's how the sound goes. Alright. And the jingling ball. Let's go to the second one. Okay, so these are the yarns that I mentioned before. Rainbow yarn. I have these both in color 20, or the code is here, color 20. So this both of these are actually for my next commission. The client asked me if I could make her a MacBook case. So I actually have made several MacBook case before, and another laptop sleeve. So we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna show you when I have completed crocheting the case. Alright. The aftermath of shooting.
Luna over there chilling. The aftermath.
Today I'm working on my new pineapple home plushie. The body design is inspired by my durian home plushie but with a tropical twist. The trickiest part, crocheting the thorny spikes, but it's been a fun challenge. Now I'm finalizing the pattern and planning a tester crochet along, which is called on Instagram. Do you think there'll be anyone interested in joining? Let me know in the comments or send me a DM. I'd love to have you on board.
Hey crafty friends, meet the pineapple home plushie, the latest addition to my home plushie series connected to the durian home plushie. I used chunky yarn and a 5.5mm crochet hook. Crocheting the spiky thorns is a bit challenging, but the end result is so worth it. And here it is, the pineapple home plushie is ready for adoption in my online store. I'll also be opening a tester call soon, so stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe for more crafty content. See ya! Who are you? Who's that? And my daughter's awake. She's awake.
Mariam started feeling well. She had cough and she also had flu. So I have to put her on sleep more because according to the doctor she has to swallow. This is all I got her. Nasal spray, cold fresh balm from Disney. This is what I got from TikTok. I am currently binge watching Jenna's vlogs while designing. She actually inspired me a lot. Thank you so much, Jenna. And also Tamidin from uncomfy.com, sorry. So because of this, I think I would like to start journaling again. So unbox things and see what we got inside. Okay, I got my journal here, guys. Here it is, and look what I got. It's free. So cute! So cute! This is so cute! Thank you so much. I didn't know what's the name of the shop, but